Okay, as a student athlete, we kind of have a plethora of options to choose from of where to get our food or just like quick snacks. The main option that we have is Varsity Room, which is over in Memorial Stadium. It takes me about 15 to 20 minutes to walk there, just kind of depending on like the crosswalks and everything. I know that there is a bus route to get pretty close to there, and I have biked there a few times, but biking is just not my thing. I kind of prefer to drive. The roads are always really good, really clear, nothing going on, and then it takes me about 5 minutes to drive there every day. So this is a picture of the inside of Varsity Room, where there's always options like salad, fruit, oatmeal. It's kind of an everyday thing, and then some of their breakfasts change every day. There's like a range between burritos, kind of like rice dishes, and then for lunch, again, lunch switches every day. Sometimes there's like pizza, burgers, or just like pasta, chicken options. And then right here there's a picture of a to-go box that we get every day. We can get up to 2 to-go boxes every day for like lunch and dinner. And then usually I like to pack mine up with a good salad for lunch, with chicken and everything. And then next, this is a picture of like the Greek yogurt bar and oatmeal bar with fruit and with blueberries and strawberries. And so for me, getting healthy options is pretty easy, again, because there's always a salad bar, there's always fruit at Varsity Room, so I always can count on them to get me healthy options every day. And then here's another place as a student athlete that we can get foods. This is at FICE, the Fighting Illini Center for Excellence. Here there's usually kind of a lot of more snacks, like fruit snacks, quick carbs and stuff like that, granola bars. You can make your own smoothies if you want to. They have things to make your own smoothies every day. And then now they have sandwiches if you like are quick on time and you just need a quick lunch on the go. And then for volleyball, there's another little fueling station in Huff Hall, which is where we play. And then there's always Core Powers in our fridge for protein after we play or after we lift. And again, always quick carbs in there. We have a little box during practice where we can go get fruit snacks, applesauce. Sometimes there's like Rice Krispies, just trying to get us to fuel our days during our practices and during games. And then on game days or game weekends, we always get fed food. So this past weekend we had a home tournament, and so we got fed breakfast, and this breakfast had eggs, bacon, and potatoes in those boxes. And then in the bag there was a fresh fruit cup and a juice box, and then that just helped us fuel before our game day that day. And then again, always on, like if we were to travel, we usually eat hotel breakfast food, which maybe isn't the best food to go around, but it gets the job done. There's always like eggs and oatmeal there. And then again, as a student athlete, we have this app called Red Card, which is where we get $40 to spend at restaurants like Chick-fil-A, Cracked, there's Forage, Noodles, Moe's. And again, I'll usually drive to these places. It's a lot faster. Unless they're on Green Street, I'll always walk because that's a lot closer. And these places, they definitely have healthy options, but it's not an everyday thing. I don't want to go to Chick-fil-A and always get the fried chicken sandwich every day. But Forage is always a good option. They're super good. The Power Bowls are amazing. And then this is just kind of an example of our food that we get after games. This was an example that we got Red Robin after our game this weekend. Thanks for listening.